Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
In this video, I will explain how to make natural wine yeast. This process allows you to harness the wild yeast naturally present on fruit skins, creating a unique fermentation starter. Unlike commercial yeasts, natural yeast can impart distinct, complex flavors to your homemade wine. We'll guide you through each step, from selecting the right fruit to cultivating your very own active yeast culture, ensuring a truly artisanal winemaking experience right at home. To begin, gather your essential ingredients and equipment. You'll need about 1 cup of organic, unwashed fruit, such as grapes or berries, as these carry the natural yeast. A clean, sanitized glass jar or bottle, with a capacity of at least 16 ounces, is crucial for cultivation. Don't forget a breathable cover, like cheesecloth and a rubber band. Finally, have 2 tablespoons of sugar and 1 cup of non-chlorinated water ready. Now, let's cultivate your yeast starter. Gently crush about 1 cup of your chosen fruit directly into the sanitized glass jar. Next, add 2 tablespoons of sugar and 1 cup of non-chlorinated water. Stir the mixture gently to dissolve the sugar. Cover the jar opening with cheesecloth, securing it with a rubber band. Place the jar in a warm spot, ideally between 70 and 75 degrees Fahrenheit, away from direct sunlight. Monitor your starter daily for signs of activity. Within 3 to 5 days, you should observe small bubbles forming and a distinct, fruity, yeasty aroma emerging. Once active, strain the liquid through a fine mesh sieve into a clean container, separating the yeast starter from the fruit solids. Your natural wine yeast is now ready to use. We recommend using about 1/2 cup of this active starter for every gallon of fruit juice you plan to ferment.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.